The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The iPhone 16 series is almost upon us, and I've got the inside scoop on everything you need to know before the big day. Whether you're a loyal iPhone user or just curious about what Apple has in store, this is the video for you. Stick around because we're about to break down the entire iPhone 16 launch timeline. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Now let's jump right into it. First things first, let's talk about how Apple sets the stage for their big reveals. It all starts with a simple yet powerful gesture, sending out official invites to the world's tech media. On Monday, August 26th, those coveted invites dropped, and they confirmed what we've been anxiously waiting to hear: the date and time for Apple's special event. This year, the magic is happening on Monday, September 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, right in the heart of Cupertino at the legendary Steve Jobs Theater. And let me tell you, there's nothing like the buzz that fills the air when those invites go out. It's the moment when the world starts to pay attention. And just so you know, I totally called it would be Monday when everyone else thought it'd be Tuesday. Wink! Let's be real. The Apple special event is like the Super Bowl for tech enthusiasts. This is the day when Tim Cook and the Apple team take the stage to unveil their latest innovations, and it's where the iPhone 16 will finally see the light of day. Picture this: the lights dim, the screen lights up, and the words "Good morning" fill the theater. We've seen it all before, but it never gets old, right? And what makes this year's event even more exciting? The iPhone 16 lineup is rumored to bring some serious upgrades that could redefine what we expect from our smartphones, but we'll get to those juicy details in a bit. For now, just imagine the excitement of being there, waiting for that first glimpse of the future. It's a rush like no other. Okay, so you've seen the event, you're sold on the new iPhone 16, and now you're itching to get your hands on one. Here's what you need to know: pre-orders. Mark your calendars for Friday, September 15th, because that's when the pre-order frenzy begins. Now, if you've been through this before, you know it's all about speed. Last year, pre-orders kicked off at 5 a.m. Pacific time, which means 8 a.m. Eastern or 1 p.m. for our friends across the pond in the UK. Pro tip: set multiple alarms, keep your credit card handy, and be ready to refresh that page like your life depends on it. Trust me, you don't want to miss out because these things sell out fast. Next up, we've got iOS 18, Apple's latest and greatest operating system, dropping just in time to pair with the iPhone 16. If you're wondering when you can expect it, my guess is Monday, September 16th, around 10 a.m. Pacific time. Now, here's some good news. If your iPhone can run iOS 17, you're in the clear for iOS 18. That's right, the compatibility list stays the same, reaching all the way back to the iPhone Xs, XS Max, and XR. So whether you're upgrading or sticking with your current device, you'll get to enjoy all the new features iOS 18 has to offer. And from what I've heard, there's a lot to get excited about. All right, let's talk reviews. The moment when the first hands-on impressions start rolling in, this is where we get the real scoop on what the iPhone 16 is like in the wild. Early in the week after the keynote, probably around Tuesday, September 17th, or Wednesday, September 18th, we should start seeing those reviews hit the web. Now, Apple usually seeds review units to select press right after the event, so expect those first impressions to be detailed and packed with insights. And remember, this is separate from the Apple Watch reviews, which usually drop on a different day. So keep your eyes peeled for those YouTube unboxings and deep dives. They're going to be everywhere. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, release day. Almost without exception, Apple sticks to a strict schedule, and this year is no different. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro will officially hit the shelves on Friday, September 20th. If you're planning on lining up or hitting the online stores, get ready for an early start. The doors typically open at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. local time, depending on where you are. And this is the day when the anticipation finally pays off. And those who pre-ordered will start receiving their shiny new iPhones. And if you're one of the lucky ones who gets their hands on it first, don't forget to share your unboxing experience. It's practically a rite of passage in the Apple community. And there you have it, your complete countdown to the iPhone 16 series launch. But before you go, here's the deal. This is just the beginning. I'll be updating this space as more news drops, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay in the loop. Peace out.